The Servo Motor MG996 represents a versatile and widely used actuator in robotics, automation, and DIY projects. Renowned for its precise control and reliability, this servo motor offers an efficient solution for angular motion control in various applications, ranging from robotic arms to remote-controlled vehicles. The Servo Motor MG996 operates based on the principle of feedback control. Inside the motor, a small DC motor is coupled with a gear train and a potentiometer. When a control signal is applied, the motor rotates to a specific angle as determined by the input signal. The potentiometer provides feedback to the control circuit, allowing for precise position control. This closed-loop system ensures accurate and stable angular motion output. In summary, the Servo Motor MG996 stands as a dependable actuator for precise angular motion control in a wide range of applications. With its closed-loop feedback system, it ensures accurate position control, while its high torque output and durability make it suitable for diverse tasks. Whether in robotics, remote-controlled vehicles, or DIY projects, the MG996 servo motor offers reliability and performance, empowering enthusiasts and engineers alike to bring their creations to life.